I'm Shivangi, a design consultant and mentor by passion and profession, wife of a talented architect, mother to a 10-year-old chatterbox. I love driving and painting, and I believe in living life to the fullest. My today's topic is how to take the site measurements correctly. I'll tell you a story before this. This has happened on one of my site. Did some amazing design on that site. एक crockery unit था जो client के साथ बैठकर discuss करके we got it done and we released the drawing on the site. After doing the kacha work, the contractor calls me up saying come and check it so that we can go ahead. मैं site पर आती हूँ देखती हूँ तो there is a gap. Actually this unit was supposed to be end to end, but there is a gap of 6 inches and I wonder why the 6 inches is being considered there. So I asked this contractor that ये end to end क्यों नहीं है, ये 9 feet की wall है और ये 8.5 का unit है तो इससे तो 9 feet होना चाहिए. तो बोले मैडम ड्राइंग में तो 8.5 है. अब मुझे थोड़ा चीजें क्लियर होती है कि एक्चुअली ये कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है डायमेंशन देने में. आई कन्फ्रंट दिस टू माय टीम मेंबर एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके द इशू इज देयर. The measurement was taken wrongly. Now I have to redesign the unit, extend it to 6 inches so that it looks perfect as I had convinced the client and client had approved it. Costed me on time, efforts and money always. To avoid such problems at your site, I am gonna tell you 10 points which will help you take the measurement correctly at one go. My first point is take the entire length, width and height of the room. Sometimes we take the small measurements but forget to take the longer ones, and जब कुछ इशू होता है तो दो वॉल्स जो आमने सामने हैं उनके डायमेंशंस मैच ही नहीं होते हैं एंड हमारे पास कोई और चेक पॉइंट नहीं होता है उससे मेजर करने का. देन गोइंग बैक टू द साइट एंड टेकिंग द मेजरमेंट. These 3 dimensions help always to take the dimensions perfectly. Second point, measure all the sills, lintels and beams in the entire house. Don't take it for consideration that एक ले लिया है सब सेम होगा. नहीं, सब सेम नहीं होता है. There are variations in these dimensions, especially beam. Width भी अलग होती है और height भी अलग होती है major beams की. Third point, measure the areas outside the main door and all the windows. There could be possibility that client asks us to design it later on. There could be some civil changes, there could be some superficial changes to be done there. If you forget to take the measurement, you will have to do the measurements again. Fourth point, the sunk area in the kitchen and the toilet. Maybe we have to do a false ceiling or maybe we have to make some cabinets. And if you don't consider the sunk areas, there will be a problem in the designs when they are on the site for execution. So please consider the sunk levels. Fifth point, skirting level. Skirting can vary from 3 inches to 6 inches anywhere. If you take it for granted that ये 3 inch ही होगी, it might put you in a fix later on. Consider measuring the height of the skirting. Sixth point, the water inlet pipes. You have to consider from where the water inlet is coming so that if you are planning to change any plumbing positions, you will have to consider that, else you will have to do a visit again. Seventh point, considering the drain pipes and sewer pipes. अगर आपने सिंक की पोजीशन चेंज की है, अगर आपने WC की पोजीशन चेंज की है, तो यहाँ आपको सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि आपके sewer pipes और आपके drain pipes कहाँ हैं. Unless you know that, you will not be able to change it, especially in the apartments. Eighth point, take the measurement of the existing furniture. कई बार budget constraint की वजह से पहले तो client बोलते हैं कि सब कुछ नया करना है, but since the budget goes high, they tell you कि हमें पुराना ही फर्नीचर यूज करके आप उसको रिवैम्प कर दो. अब उसके लिए आपको फिर से साइट पे जाना पड़ेगा, फिर से आपका टाइम जाएगा. इससे बेहतर है आप पहले ही सारे मेजरमेंट ले लो. नाइन्थ पॉइंट, द एग्जिस्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेस एंड पोर्ट्स. कई बार वी डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू द chiseling of the wall and making up new points if we have points almost near to that point, or maybe due to society issues or maybe due to the cost constraints, client doesn't want to get into all those work. If we have the existing electrical points, it will help out in speeding up the work rather than again going back to the site and taking the measurements. 10th point is the direction. You have to consider the direction. Many clients want vastu compliant spaces, and if you have not taken the north direction into consideration, you will again have to come back to the site and take it. Now these are the 10 points which you have to consider. But on top of all these points, there is one point which is very critical. कुछ changes हैं, अगर हम लोग साइट पे न आए तो भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Take a lot of side pictures from each and every angle. It will help you cover up certain things which you have not taken into consideration while doing the site visit. कई बार आपका सेंस ऑफ प्रपोर्शन एंड मेजरमेंट के से आप सिर्फ फोटोज देखकर अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि क्या डायमेंशन हो सकता है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू टेक द साइड पिक्चर्स. एंड साइड पिक्चर्स का एक एडवांटेज और होता है, जब आपकी साइट बन जाती है और बहुत खूबसूरत लगती है, तब आपको वो अगले क्लाइंट को ये दिखाने के लिए कि देखिए ये साइट ऐसी थी और हमने ऐसी कर दी, तब बहुत काम आते हैं पिक्चर्स. सो टेक एज मेनी पिक्चर्स एज यू कैन. तो दीज वर 10 पॉइंट्स विद वन बोनस पॉइंट ऑफ पिक्चर्स. Please consider this and you will have a perfect site. Stay tuned for more such videos. Signing off, Shivangi. Bye bye.